Did you go all the way up?
Yeah.
And?
The seats are screwed, not nailed. So let me grab some drills and we're still gonna screw them.
All right, because today is take the steel off the building day.
The roof.
The roof. We'll see how far we get. It's like it's wanting to go.
Okay.
Ready? Ah! Push it with the end of your drill.
No.
Watch out. Okay. Yeah, I'll take a whack at it. Let's see if we can get this thing to go then. I don't know if that's gonna work.
See, that's a window, right?
Yep. Stepped over. Oh, there you go. They were like sinking ships.
You know how we got the little gap
Oh yeah.
going on at the peak?
Yeah.
Okay. When I was like 5 and my dad was building our house, he had me up on the roof one day, so I wanted to be up on the roof. He had a rope around me, just a rope around my waist, and he nailed it to the roof so I wouldn't fall off. Got to be the end of the day, and the ladder was on the other side. He just right over that little gap like this. I come up to it. No, no, no. He's like, come on, Steve. No.
Because at 5 you were probably only like a foot tall.
Well, I was pretty miniature. And at any rate, he steps across it, grabs me. Okay. And then I was all good. Then and now I don't even walk across that. I don't know.
No, it is scary.
Had a little storm damage last night. It didn't knock over the barn, which would have been nice if it would have knocked it all over and stacked up all the metal, but we did lose a couple of little panels up here. It loosened up a lot. And then it tore that one piece up off the roof. Kind of moved our stack around a little bit.
So as you can see, we have a slight problem. And it's really not funny because, I mean, honestly, it's life-threatening. And yes, I'm standing under it. So if I hear any loud creaking, I'm going to run very fast. But this has gotten increasingly worse just within the last few days, where those trusses have come off of the posts. Excuse the language in the background. We do not support any of the graffiti, nor do we have time to deal with it as we're videotaping. So, yeah, and this is the day where Jordan and I are measuring off and making some good progress on figuring out our room sizes. We watched this roof continually sinking over the past week, and sometime between 8 a.m. and 12 noon on Thursday, it came down.